I feel like I need to run. I feel like... Ah! Hey everybody, my name is HardDuckMan, and welcome to Urbex. We're currently playing as an urban explorer. You know, we want to check out cool buildings, dilapidated buildings, old destroyed churches, barns that have been left to rust and rot. But this time, we got stuck inside a building in the industrial sector place, and we have to find our way out. It's gonna be a fun ride, but I'm gonna guess that we're gonna get out safely and nothing bad will happen. I'm leaving. Wait, how the fuck did I get here? How did I get here? Did I fall into the ceiling? Okay. Sure. I teleport. Oh, this is horrifying. This is bad. Is there any cool stuff here? Just boxes? Wait a minute. Okay, I was just making sure that I was recording. It's kind of spooky. But I'm an urban explorer. I'm a big guy. I love exploring these old, destroyed, dilapidated buildings. Yeah, very safe. Knock. Here, I'll knock it back. Anyone? No? Okay. Go suck it. If you're gonna knock, and you're not gonna respond, you can suck. My schlong. Oh. A big thumpin'. Boom. Yeah. Big thumpin' boom. With my new key. That's the thumpin' key. That's the big thumpin' key. That's the thumper. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is the thumpin' room. That was the thumpin' key to the thumpin' room. Yeah, what's in here? Nothing. Great. Okay, so there's absolutely nothing in this room. Why am I here? Is there anything in this little box? Just some shitty tied up wires. Great. I love wires. Wires are so cool. I want to touch wires, eat wires, delicious wires. How do I skedaddle? How do I leave this room? I'm gonna guess there's something in that room. I probably just missed it. What did I just miss in this room? What did I just miss? What good, gracious, ungodly things did I leave in here? Did I actually just leave nothing? Is there literally nothing in this room? I mean, it is an old, dilapidated building. Oh, what is that? I thought those were like bats or birds hanging. Okay, I'll get back to you guys once I find out how to progress here in a second. Oh! Right there, a few seconds literally after I cut. Okay. Oh! More thumping. That's the bumping. That's the bumping fuse. That's the bumper dumper fuse. That's the bumpy dump. That's a bad locker. No, nothing good is coming out of that locker. Oh, that's the thing that someone was knocking on, huh? That's the thing just opened where somebody was knocking. They were a thumping. Hey sir, can I get out of here? Can you help me find a way out, please? Can you help me find a way out, please, sir? Please, sir. Sorry, you know you're the dumpin' humper. You're the thumper of the metallic walls. I'm HardDuckMan. Nice to meet you. I'm sorry that I'm here. I do not mean to intrude. Okay? No disrespect. One sec, sir. Just stand still if you're about to do some spooky stuff. Just wait me a minute. There was hair in my ear. Because my hair is getting thick. You're smashing stuff. That's so rude. Don't be smashing. Come on. This place is already a mess. It's already a mess. You're not helping. You're making the situation worse. Okay, there's another fuse box, so I'm gonna need another fuse. Yay! More fuses. I'll find a fuse. Somewhere, anywhere, there will be a fuse waiting for you and me. Scooby-Doo, I like fuse. 'Cause fuse light stuff up and let me get out of here. Hello, guys. I'm back. What's going on out there? There's a whole city. Wow, that's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy that there's a whole metropolis of people. There's a whole city-tropolis. Metropolis. Where is this fuse? Sir? Mr. Rumblin' Thumbler, did you take my fuse? The one fuse I needed. I'm gonna do one more scan of this room. And if I cannot see it, either I am batshit blind, or there's no fuse. Maybe I go take the fuse back from the old fuse box, and I bring it in here. Maybe that's what I do. Oh, hello? It's me, HardDuckMan. Hey. Hey, just an urban explorer here. Exploring this place. Very cool. You thumped the locker! Your locker, I knew there was something in this locker. I grabbed it. Oh. What's that sound? Hey, is there a snake? Is he gonna slither and eat me? He's gonna eat me? He's gonna slither and eat me? Hello? I feel like I need to run. I feel like... Ah! Ah! Just run. Ah! Oh, I hate you all. I hate you all. I hate you all. I hate you all. Hey, hey, hey. You guys are mannequins? Hard mannequin girl? Hey, hard mannequin girl. Hey, hard mannequin girl. I'm HardDuckMan. I'm HardDuckMan. You're hard mannequin girl. I'm HardDuckMan. Ooh, no head. So no head? Yeah, I guess so. No head for you. No head for you. Hey, ma'am. I bet you're gonna let me do this, huh? Hey, I'm just gonna... Don't mind me. I'm just gonna walk up to this. I'm gonna put the fuse in, alright? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's more mannequins. It keeps going. What, you pointing? What are you pointing at? You ain't got fingers. You can't point. You can't point, dummy. You're not a pointer. You don't get pointers. You got... Oh. I'm outside. I'm outside. Oh, did I make it? Did I get outside? Hey, ma'am. Just keep running. Yeah, bro. Run! Get the hell out of it. Am I still in the building? Or am I... Oh! Huh? Oh my god! Medic! Medic! Holy well, if that taught me anything, I don't know what it taught me. I don't know what it taught me. But that scared the shit out of me, those fucking mannequins. Oh my gosh. Wow, I love the whole energy of that game. That was so... I need to find a new word to describe games. That was scrumptious. That was delectable. The creator of this game, my man, woman, individual, you did great. So yeah, let me pull up my camera there. It's a lot darker in my room now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. If you're really cool and you always want to be notified when I post. So you can be one of the first people to comment and like, because those people are alpha, and everyone else, but those people are a little more alpha. A little more alpha. Okay, but all that aside, thank you guys for coming along, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, peace. And what's something spooky I can say? What's something spooky? Don't go into abandoned buildings or you'll get a thumped. You'll get thumped. You'll get thumped. 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 Be scared. Bye.